Hello guys, if you are getting this error message in League of Legends that the game requires a system restart to play, please restart your computer. If this issue continue, reach out to your player support team. So if you are getting this error code, I'll show you two methods. You can try this and hopefully it will benefit you. So the first one would be to go to your search bar and then go to run. Open your run and then type in services.msc and then press OK. So from here you'll see a lot of stuff here. So press on some one and then press V and you'll see this VGC. You'll have to find this VGC. So double click on it. After that you'll see this startup type drop down menu. Press on that, press on automatic and then press on start. So it will take a second to complete this, and after that what you'll have to do is you'll have to press on OK and close this VGC tab. So if you've already done this, if it is already running, so what you can do is you can press this restart the service here at the left side also. So after that we have done here, and then we'll have to do something. What we'll have to do is open your task manager and then go to startup, and then you'll have to search. So from here you'll have to search for Vanguard Tray Notification, VG Tray. So search for VG Tray and make sure it is enabled. If it is disabled, so simply press on that and press enable button, or you can right click and press enable here as well. So after that these two methods, it should bypass your error code and you may be able to play League of Legends. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.